So this Hyundai Sonata come in today needing a valve cover gasket. This gasket replacement would be the same as if it was not hybrid. The only differentiation would be if there was a direct injection fuel pump on the top, and then it would be slightly different. Here you see the old gasket. Now I'm just taking and cleaning off the gasket surface. We went ahead and we replaced the spark plugs, being that they were easier to access here. So we go ahead and look at them. They're not in good condition. So go ahead and decide to replace all of them, pull them all out, throw them back in, get the valve cover on. Then I'm lining up all of the bolts before I tighten any down, snug them with a gun, and then torque them with a wrench. Throw in the ignition coils, plug them all in, put the hoses back on, clean off the remaining oil.